Hey, how's it going? Hope you're good. Thanks for your time watching the video. Any questions that you have, literally just let me know. This video is going to be about using MetaTrader 4 and, all the components of taking and copying a trade. Any questions, just hit me up. And, the market has been quite volatile. Volatile meaning that there's big moves, but they're unpredictable. And, the market goes a bit more faster and it's hard to gauge where it's going to go, because of things like gas and electricity prices raising, the prime minister changing, and, war, stuff like that. It has made the market quite volatile, but rest assured, it is going to get better and there will be more trades. But whilst it's like this, we just try and make the setups highly probable. There's always going to be losses, but you can take one win and it can outweigh like 3 to 4 losses. So always remember that, because this is a risk to rewards game and it's a long-term thing. Rome wasn't built in a day. So don't ever, just get upset by losses and think you ain't ever going to win, because you need less wins because they're bigger than losses. So you can have more losses than wins. All right, let's get into it. So look, you can see a trade on. This is a demo account as well, so we can just play around with things and show you things. Now let's start off with quotes here. So quotes, bottom left corner. If you want to edit, these are all the currency pairs that are on your watch list, and you can click on it to trade. If you want to take something off, you literally click the pencil button, top left corner, and then you highlight what you want to take off and then you delete it. If you want to add something, you go to plus and you will see the options of what you can add here. So look, we're going to add Euro GBP and we're going to add Euro AUD. So now, if I want to look at Euro AUD before I put on a trade, I can go on chart. It's going to show me the chart. I can click trade at the top right, or I can go back, hold it down, and I can just click on trade. So now instant execution means I'm going to go into the market straight away. If I do a limit or a stop, that means the price has to get to the price that I set before I'm put in. So if price never gets to that price, I won't be put in. But as soon as it does, I will be put in. So we'll do a market execution so you can see that. Stop loss literally just means if the trade is going the wrong way, you're going to come out of that trade with, a certain amount of a loss. So it's not going to be you losing your whole account or a big loss. It's going to be a certain amount. Now, take profit means that you're going to come out of that trade successfully in profit. So otherwise, if there's no stop loss or take profit, you just stay in the market floating, unless you manually close the trade. And who has time to be doing that? Unless you literally are sitting at the charts and maybe you have an alert. But yeah, I'm gonna now put on a trade, and then I'm just gonna put on the stop loss and then take profit afterwards. So instant execution, I'm just gonna buy. So look, we just bought. All right, so look, you would highlight here and then you go to charts. Let's say I didn't know where I wanted to put my stop loss to take profit. I can click the plus button. Look, it's in the middle next to the F, the plus, and like a cross comes up. Now let's say price is here. Yeah, so look, this is where price is. That's where I bought from. Let's say I want to put the stop loss here. I just look at the coordinates. 1.47432. So now I go back, and that was 1.47432. So now look, I've modified it. It's now, if I go back to charts, my stop loss, I can see it there. You see, I can clearly see it there. So now my take profit, let's say I want to make it here, 1.48705. 1.48705. Modify. So now I go back to charts. I can literally see the take profit right there. And look, here's where we've entered, because it was a manual execution. So now let's say I want to do a pending order. Yeah, I'm gonna put somewhere lower so you can kind of see it. It might say entry or something like that. So look, we're gonna do a buy limit. So price has to come down and touch the order I'm about to set, and we would expect it to go up because it's a buy limit. Sell limit means that price has to come up to that area, touch it, and then go down. A buy stop means that price needs to go up and through it to enter me. A sell stop means that price needs to go down and through it to enter me. So look, we're gonna do a buy limit first, yeah? So look, 1.46940, yeah? Modify. So I'd have to put on a new trade. So look, trade, you can hold down on there and go trade. You can do it from quotes. Instant execution, no, we're gonna do buy limit. Let me just go back though, because I don't remember the number. So charts, 46953. 46953. Look, it's on buy limit. So price, that wasn't there before, 46953. Because this is my entry price. So look, I can place it. If I want to do my stop loss, I can just go to charts. So now look, see, now it says buy limit. So I'm going to do my stop loss, 1.46232. So like, I go to modify, 46232. And if you make a mistake, you just go to modify. So now we've added that. So we're not in that trade yet, but we've got all the coordinates and we've got it set up. So you don't need to always sit around and manually do stuff. I try and do limits so we can wait for price to hit it, and then the stop loss and take profit is already set, so we just need to wait to see if it's going to be a win or a loss. All right, so look, we're going to do the take profit here for this buy limit, yeah. 47682. 47682. Bam. All right, great. So now we go back to charts. You can now see, look, we're in a trade. The buy, we're in there. That's where we got in. It was an instant execution, so we don't need to put entry price. And the stop loss for that buy is there. The take profit is up here. So now, but we've got a buy limit here. So if price comes down and touches this, it will put us into a buy. So we'd want price to go back up. And that's a limit. If it was a stop, price would need to be here and go through it. If it was a sell limit, let's say we put like a sell limit here, price needs to, price would have had to been here, and it would go up and then it would sell. If it was a sell stop, then let's say price is here, we'd set the sell stop here and price has to go through it. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense and doesn't confuse you. Any questions, just ask me. But yeah, so look, we've done instant executions, we've done limits, how to modify your stop loss, your take profit, and now when you go to charts, you can now see how far price is from your take profit and stop losses and kind of understand it. Now look, if you want to manually close a trade, you just go to close, and then it's going to say closing a loss or closing a profit. So look, we've just closed that trade. And if you go to history, you can see the trade that you literally just closed. So you can see for the day what you made, you can see for the week what you made, for the month, the wins and losses, or you can do custom to see custom time. But yeah, that is more or less everything you need to know about MetaTrader 4. If you have any questions at all, do let me know. If you refer anyone to the group, you will get some sort of money. So just let me know if you have any referrals and we'll discuss the referral rewards. And yeah, any other questions, just let me know.